So today at this Batu Kawan here, and this is the food kitchen. They are serving these Hainanese style dishes, and I myself is Hainanese, and I heard that the food here is very unique and special. So let's check out. Oh, 开始变金黄色哦，哦，很美哦，哇哦！Mày có treo à, hoài à. Boy, sedap. This is also one of your signature here, the Mongolian style bread curry.
Actually, the lão bản
Have name yet lah, hasn't name yet lah. So simply call lah. The reason behind because of the top part looks like the Mongolian tan, the tan. Yeah, so it's called the Mongolian bread. So
can call it Hainanese bread.
Hainanese style Mongolian bread lah. It's a mixture because the curry is a Hainanese style curry. So let's check out. Oh,
Very crispy.
Oh, melted, huh? Oh, very nice, isn't it? The bread is crispy, and then this curry very flavorful.
Is it spicy for you?
Both pack with spices, but not very spicy. Pickled veggie with pork cube.
梅菜肉.
Mei chai roll, and yes, mei chai is very nice. I like mei chai also actually. You like mei chai, right? Check out. And as you can see here, the meat slices, I mean the meat layer is very nice. It's balanced, meaning to say that the fat and also the lean meat are well balanced.
It's originally from Hainanese.
Yes. The next dishes that we are going to check out here is the Tonku meat, and apparently the Tonku meat is started at Hainan province, so that's why it's Hainanese dishes, signature dishes. So behind this Tonku meat is very important where lard, and you have to have well balance of lard and also the lean meat together, and it's actually cooked together with this rock sugar, soy sauce, and also Shaoxing wine. Yes. It just melts in my mouth. The fragrance of Shaoxing wine is still there. It's still mingling around. So nice. So the next dish here, this is the Hainanese style grilled chicken. Rather than the chicken chop that we taste is the deep fried version, and then this is more healthier. It's a grilled version, and apparently it takes longer hour to make because they have 3 steps for grilling, and you have to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. The flavor is so nice, huh? The aroma is so nice.
When you cut, you can feel that
Yes.
tenderness of
Very nice. Yes, very nice. The flavor is very nice, and this one not too salty and not too sweet also. Very nice. This is a full signature, full kitchen pork ribs. Rice served with rice, and the way that cook it is like the home style. It's like my grandma cooking, you know.
tastes like home.
Taste my grandma. Oh, by the way, I'm Hainanese. Suki nang. Okay, let me check. It's Hokkien nang. What's the Hainam nang? Oh, very nice. I like the sauce. The sauce. It's packed with a bit of this gingery, a bit of ginger, and a touch of slight sweetness, and also soya fragrance. This is the Hainanese version of spring roll. The outer skin is deep fried and then stuffed with this yam bean. Of course, this is a must to dip. This is the homemade Hainanese chili sauce. Oh, ngon theo nè. Cay ngon. And this is one of the signature also, the Hainanese style Nasi Lemak. So what's the difference with Hainanese style Nasi Lemak compared to the usual Nasi Lemak is their rice. Actually, they have the secret recipe which they added a lot of spices in between.
Not only coconut milk.
Now you see, has already started. How's the taste?
Very flavorful.
Flavorful, huh? Let me try out. Oh yeah. And Akash is a sambai queen. Actually, I like sambai also.
This one not spicy.
Yeah, very nice. How's the taste?
Good.
Black with spices.
The kunyit.
The kunyit is turmeric. Yeah, very nice. The turmeric smell and then the fragrance, very well done. Now I'm checking out the fish also. Very exciting. This is curry prawn. Oh, very nice.
It's 15 ringgit only, you know.
Yeah,
50
ringgit per set. Very marinated, the prawn.
I say the portion is very generous.
Yes, the portion is very generous. Very good. Checking out this angku. Cass already started with the angku, and the angku is deep fried one. And according to the boss, this deep fried angku, after you eat already, you don't want to eat the normal angku already. The outer skin is very crispy, and then slight savory. Slight savory, and then inside this base, not too sweet, not too sweet. Yes, so it blends in well. The savory and also the sweetness. Oh, so good.
Must try it.
Melted. And what we got here is hot dessert. This is the hot ending, the hot dessert. And this is the white fungus and also longan. Oh, check this out. Oh, very nice. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
Very refreshing. And the and the white fungus is very soft. Boiled until very long hours. Oh, very nice.
And with the lunch with the dessert.
Yes.
Satisfying.
Satisfying. So good. 18不了。好，老板娘，你怎么称呼？
我叫婉莹。
婉莹啊，然后你这边是几点开到几点？
我是从11点开到2点半是休息时间下午5点又开到7点。
5点到7点啊。那你们有没有 off day 呢
？off day 有，星期六 off day 啦。
我觉得你的这个 Nasi Lemak 很特别哦，Hainanese style 跟普通的烧有什么不一样
？OK， 其实第一样东西就是饭饭里面呢就有我们的 secret， 就是我们有一些香料，我阿妈留下的香包，就是在里面。第二样呢就是它的瓜它的瓜里面呢其实综合了这些姜葱蒜辣椒干，然后其实我们还有放一些虾肉，绞的虾肉
哇，下成本哦。
好料一定要下成本完全是不放味精的。
然后我刚才吃到那个东坡肉，这个也是海南式的东坡肉。
对，因为其实东坡肉真正来源是来自海南。
海南的啦。
也是苏东坡，真的是苏东坡研发出来的，但是它是源自海南
然后你的 chicken chop 是 grill 的 ，compare to 外面做什么要做 grill 的呢
？OK， 其实海南鸡排有2代，一个是炸的对，一个是 grill 的但是外面通常吃到的都是炸的
炸的。
所以我就比较喜欢 special 一点所以 grill 把它弄去 grill 里面比较多工，比较先 grill。
对。
所以每次顾客来，我跟他讲要15分钟
好，很好 ，OK。